Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix action button mute is missing on any iPhone. Now, if the mute option is missing on the action button on your iPhone, just open settings, then tap on action button. Now from here, just swipe to the right or to the left side and look for the option of silent mode. Now after you select the option of silent mode, then check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then go to settings, then tap on general. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on reset. And from this menu, just select reset all settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select reset all settings. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. And this option will not delete any data. It will just reset all the settings on your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. Now after you have done that, and if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open settings, then tap on general, tap on software update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix action button mute is missing on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.